Intensive Dove Hair Repair. The Dove Intensive Repair Deep Conditioner helps to nourish and visibly repair damaged hair, leaving it feeling healthy and strong. Damaged Hair Repair. Dove Intensive Repair Strengthening Hair Conditioner for damaged hair deeply nourishes damaged strands when used as a system with Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. Keratin Repair Actives. Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo and Conditioner for damaged hair system with Keratin Repair Actives works immediately to seal and smooth a hair surface. Nourishing Conditioner for healthy hair. Makes hair feel smoother, helps detangling and improves manageability. This conditioner leaves you with visibly smoother and more manageable hair. Reduces hair breakage. Our intensive hair repairing conditioner helps to strengthen and reinforce hair against the everyday hair breakages that can be caused by our daily routines. Strengthening conditioner ideal for daily use hair care. Whether you've been heat styling or hair coloring, with regular use you'll have hair that feels stronger and healthier. Intensive Repair. Hair care system visibly repairs different degrees of damage for beautifully nourished hair from root to tip. Bio-Nourish Complex. Dove Intensive Repair is formulated with Bio-Nourish Complex. Complete care that works in harmony with your hair. The Dove difference. Dove has always drawn inspiration from real, diverse women. We celebrate beauty, which we define as feeling and looking your best. Real beauty is cruelty-free. Dove care goes beyond just your hair. This conditioner is the perfect addition to your cruelty-free beauty collection. Plus, we are now moving all our bottles to 100% recycled plastic. Top reviews from the United States. I love the smell. I love this conditioner, and it smells great, however, I do wish it was more moisturizing.